Hello friends. Create the stunning PowerPoint presentation like this. Before the tutorial, please subscribe the video. Okay, first go to the Insert tab and select the video option. Then use the stock videos. Now you can select the video you want and insert it. Now select the video, go to the playback option on the ribbon. Then confirm the start is an automatically play option. Then go to the Insert tab, select the shape icon, and choose the rectangular shape and cover the page with that rectangular shape. Then again go to the Insert tab and select the text box option and insert it. Now, select the font size to 400, and then font style in bold format. Then fill the value 1 in the text box and adjusting it. Now, select the shape first, and the text box. Then go to the shape format and select the merge shape, and choose the subtract option. Then now select the shape, and fill with the white color. And then rid off the outline. And again insert the text box, and fill your title and the content in it. And then adjust a little if you want to. Then do like this to all the slides. Finally, our stunning PowerPoint presentation is ready. Please subscribe and like for more PowerPoint tricks. Thank you.